lovely people.
Welcome back to the I Speak English podcast.
I'm your host, Alice.
And I'm your host, Mark.
Today's episode is English at a Restaurant Part 2.
Today, we will continue with the role-playing we started in Part 1.
I am going to pretend to be the server at the restaurant.
And I will pretend to be the customer.
This is going to be fun.
Okay, Alice. I just sat down at the table in the restaurant.
Okay, here goes. Good evening. Welcome to the fancy restaurant. It's great to have you as our guest this evening.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes. Could I please have some sparkling water with lemon?
Yes, I will get that for you.
Is this the menu?
Yes, go ahead and have a look. I will get your drink and then come back to tell you about the specials.
Thank you.
Here is your sparkling water with lemon.
Wow, that was fast.
Yes, we try to provide fast service. Do you have any questions about the menu?
Everything looks wonderful. Can you tell me, how is the fish prepared?
Oh, good question. The fish is grilled, then served on a bed of mashed potato. The sauce is made from butter and fresh lemon.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
It is one of our most popular dishes.
What would you recommend to start?
My favorite starter is the broccolini.
What is broccolini?
It is baby broccoli. It's very nice.
It sounds lovely. How was it prepared?
It is also grilled. The sauce is tart and just a little bit sweet.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll have that to start.
Oh, I should ask you, do you have any food allergies?
Thanks for asking. I'm allergic to nuts.
Oh, I'm glad you told me. The broccolini is usually served with nuts on top. I will make sure to tell the chef not to add any nuts to your meal.
Thank you, Alice.
You are most welcome. Would you like to hear about the specials?
Yes, please.
We have roast Cornish game hen.
Cornish game hen.
Yes, Cornish game hen is a bird, a bit like a chicken, only smaller. It has a lovely delicate flavor. We serve it baked with an orange sauce.
Oh, that does sound nice. Do you have any other specials?
Yes, we have a very nice sirloin steak.
Sounds delicious. How is the steak served?
It is grilled and served with an herb garlic butter, roast potatoes, and vegetables.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll have the steak, please.
Excellent choice. So that's a broccolini no nuts to start, and a steak. How would you like your steak cooked?
I would like it medium rare, please.
Got it. Medium rare. I'll get your order placed right away.
That was fun.
It was. We are getting pretty good at role playing.
Yes, we are. Do you think we should talk about what to say if your food comes and there's something you don't like?
Yes, good idea. Okay, here goes. Here is your steak, sir.
Oh, thank you. It looks delicious. I'll just cut off a piece and take a bite. Oh, excuse me, miss.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a pain.
No problem. Is there something wrong?
It's just, I ordered the steak medium rare, and it looks like it's a bit undercooked.
Oh, that's fine. No problem. I'll take it back to the kitchen and ask them to cook it a bit more.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you.
I'm sorry about that. It won't be long.
That's a good example of asking for a change when something is not quite right with your order.
Yes, it is. It's good to learn how to ask for a change while still being polite.
That's true. Most people want to help you.
Yes, and you will get better service if you know how to ask for things in English.
What else do we need to talk about? Oh, I know. An important question. Excuse me. Can you tell me, please, where is the bathroom?
Yes, of course. It is just past the bar on the left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you to all our viewers and listeners.
Please like and subscribe.
And let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.
Thank you for being here, lovely people.
See you on the next one.